Meow. Miss Puss. Meow. 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 Oh, meow. 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 Oh. So, going to try and remove some plasters on the back of the head. Here we go. It is completely stuck to my head. Okay, let's go for this side. That water's a bit too cold. The joys of a hair transplant. Come on, mate. Yes. Ooh. Pretty minging. My hair does totally gone. My hair doesn't normally look like this. Yeah, it's stinging quite a bit. Right, so next phase. Right, let's give it a wash. So this is a product I got with a clinic called Greft Plus. 2-in-1 hair lotion with shampoo. And so this is just like foam. I've got a dab dab dab. It says you mustn't get it in your eyes. I am just dabbing the top here. It feels very strange. I'm trying to be so delicate because when I see a graph come out, which apparently you always do, I will absolutely shit myself. I'll look in the mirror rather than the camera. I don't want to mess this up. I reckon you've got to take your time with this. You don't want to be in a hurry. Dear me. All that stings. Yep. It is so sensitive on the donut area. Around my ear, Christ, it looks like really deep holes. Jesus Christ. Nearly done, I'd say. Oh, fuck. So definitely around the two, kind of around the back of the ears, have been the two most sensitive spots for me. Okay, I think I'm done. Woo. Now I'll leave that on for another 5 minutes and I'll rinse it off. Okay, that's that. Actually, Mum gave me some nice little cotton pads. Thanks, Mum. Some nice little cotton pads to just go around the top here like that. You can actually see, or in my light here, I can actually see in the mirror where exactly where it's swollen. I saw how my buddy got how it all came down into his eyes. Nasty. So I want to get that headband back on as soon as possible. Yeah. I'm just dabbing the donut area now dry. You fucking cunt. Do me.